Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore how to create a realistic frosted glass portrait effect. Place your portrait on the canvas, then duplicate it and go to the filter, select blur and Gaussian blur to soft details. Now add a noise filter for gloss textures and lower opacity to make it semi-transparent. Then apply layer mask and soft erase part to reveal facial areas. Add white highlights on edges using a soft brush for frost shine. Go to the filter, distort and select glass and choose a fine texture preset. Then adjust distortion to look realistic but not harsh. Add consideration dots using a custom brush. Set blend mode to overlay for natural blending. Use curve to balance contrast.